Alright, this video is going to walk you through how to find the missing side of a right triangle when given an angle and a side. The first thing you need to do is try to figure out where is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always found directly across from the box, or the 90-degree angle. So this side is your hypotenuse. The next thing you need to do is try to find out where are the opposite and adjacent sides. The opposite side in this case is directly across from the angle that we're working with, so this x is your opposite side. The 17 that you see here is your adjacent side, that is right next to your angle. Also, you'll notice that the hypotenuse has no value given to you, and we're not working with the hypotenuse, so therefore I'm going to cross out the hypotenuse. So we're only working with the opposite and adjacent sides in this problem. The next thing you need to do is know which function to use that deals with the opposite and adjacent sides. There's a word called SohCahToa. The SohCahToa word helps us understand which function to use. There's three functions. There's a sine function, a cosine function, and a tangent function. The sine function deals with the opposite and the hypotenuse side. Unfortunately, we do not have a hypotenuse, so therefore you cannot use the sine function. The cosine function uses the adjacent side and the hypotenuse, and again, there is no hypotenuse, so therefore I cannot use cosine. But this problem does have tangent because it deals with the opposite and adjacent, which is what we're working with. So therefore, we can use tangent. The formula that you're going to use with tangent is this formula right here. Tangent of your angle equals opposite over adjacent. And when I say tangent of your angle, the angle that we're working with is 47.4. So that angle will go right here. The opposite side will be your x, and the adjacent side will be your 17. So when you fill in the information, it'll look like this. Tangent of 47.4 equals x over 17. The next thing you need to remember is that whenever x is in the numerator, you're going to always find yourself multiplying whatever's down below here in the denominator times your trig function with the angle written in. So you're going to do 17 times tangent of 47.4. Now when you pull out your calculator, it's important that you press this mode key first. Make sure your calculator is in the degree mode. When you press this mode key, there'll be an option for the word degree on the screen here. Just make sure you select it and press enter so that the calculator stays in the right mode. Then from there, what you need to do is you'll need to type in this function right here, or this calculation where you're going to go 17 times 47.4. Typing that in, 17 times 47, or no, times tangent of 47.4, and then close the parenthesis, press enter. You'll notice your answer comes out to be 18.487. To do the actual rounding properly, you'll take that 8, notice there's a 7 next to it, and make this 18.49. That is your answer to this question. That tells you how long this leg is when you have an angle of 47 degrees and an adjacent side of 17. Hopefully this video helps you figure out in the future that you're going to be using sine, cosine, or tangent based on the right set of things you're starting out with. And good luck.